Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to reset and recover your password in Europass. So the thing is, Europass like the most popular on European Union as resume and popular portfolio to communicate with, to finding jobs, internships, studies, abroad and so on. So after you just logged in the Europass or just open the website, all what you need to do is just lost your password, and here you just need to get a password. So after you you are like, let's say you don't have the password, go for password forget and then put the email there to receive the link in order to get the password link, and the password link, which is mean be a link for creating a new one. I hope you like the video guys. Please like, share and subscribe. I guess Europass have some diagnostic issues, slowing network issues. That's it. Peace.